If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Venmo, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage and cancel any unwanted subscriptions or payments. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the app. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Manage payment methods. In the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Subscriptions. This section will show you any active subscriptions or recurring payments linked to your account. Step 4. Identify recurring charges. Review the list of subscriptions or recurring payments. Identify the specific charge you wish to stop. Tap on it for more details. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Once you have selected the recurring charge, look for an option to cancel or stop the payment. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You should receive a notification confirming that the recurring charge has been successfully stopped. By following these steps, you can easily manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on Venmo. If you have further questions or issues, consider reaching out to Venmo's customer support for assistance.